In this video, we will look at some of the best handheld gimbal stabilizer on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, AOCHUAFANT 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. The AOCHUAFANT 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer is a versatile tool for content creators using smartphones. Designed for both iPhone and Android devices, it includes features like a fill light, face tracking, and compatibility with popular platforms like TikTok and Vlog. SmartXE, smartphone compatibility, works with a wide range of smartphone sizes, making it adaptable for various devices. Bluetooth communication enables easy connectivity with smartphones for seamless operation. 3-axis stabilization offers smooth and stable footage by compensating for movement along 3 axes. Fill light, built-in light enhances video quality, especially in low-light conditions. Face tracking keeps subjects in focus automatically, ideal for solo creators or vloggers. Performance, the AOCHUAFANT gimbal delivers reliable performance with its robust build and responsive controls. The stabilization is effective for capturing professional-looking video content, making it a great choice for vloggers and social media enthusiasts. The AOCHUAFANT 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer stands out as a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their smartphone videography. Number 4, F8 Handheld 3-Axis Gimbal. The F8 Handheld 3-Axis Gimbal is an excellent stabilizer for smartphones, designed to provide anti-shake video recording for devices like Xiaomi and iPhone. Shooting modes, supports both horizontal and vertical shooting. Operation, simple to use without an app, single-click photo and video capture. Rotation, 320 degrees panoramic rotation shooting. Battery life, offers 4 to 6 hours of continuous operation with a 2200 mAh battery. Compatibility, suitable for smartphones up to 7 inches and weighing between 75G and 250G. Interface, a 1/4-inch threaded joint for accessories. Sensitive joystick and Bluetooth control, enables easy operation and connectivity. FPV and lock modes, multiple shooting modes including first-person view and 3 lock modes. One key operation, simplifies capturing photos and videos with ease. Panorama, 320 degrees panoramic shooting for immersive videos. Anti-shake technology, provides smooth and balanced footage even while moving. Performance, the F8 gimbal excels in stabilizing smartphone footage, offering a range of shooting styles like Inception and Dolly Zoom for cinematic effects. Number 3, Zhiyun Official Smooth Q4 Smartphone Gimbal. The Zhiyun Smooth Q4 is a cutting-edge 3-axis gimbal designed for smartphones, perfect for enhancing your videography with devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Xiaomi, Huawei, and Samsung. Ergonomic design, the Smooth Q4 offers a comfortable grip with its sleek, ergonomic design, making it easy to handle during long shoots. Foldable structure, quickly fold or unfold the gimbal for convenience and portability. 215mm extendable rod. This feature allows for capturing shots from various angles, providing a broader perspective and more dynamic footage. Magnetic fill light, the detachable light with a 5500K color temperature enhances night shooting. With adjustable brightness and color filters, multifunctional control wheel, simplifies one-hand operation by allowing quick adjustments to brightness and focal length. Enhanced user experience. The Zhiyun Smooth Q4 elevates user experience through its intuitive controls and versatile features. The multifunctional control wheel makes it easier to adjust settings on the fly, ensuring smooth and professional quality video recording. SJCAM app integration, personal shooting instructor. Number 2, HUAFANT M6 Kit Gimbal. The HUAFANT M6 Kit Gimbal is a versatile 3-axis stabilizer designed for smartphones, enhancing video quality for devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Android phones. AI tracker with adjustable fill light. The innovative AI tracker offers seamless face/body tracking without the need for Bluetooth or app limitations, and the fill light improves shooting in low-light conditions. 7th Gen iSteady stabilization algorithm, upgraded 3-axis stabilization. Number 1, Feiyutech Scorp Mini 2 Gimbal. The Feiyutech Scorp Mini 2 is a versatile all-in-one 3-axis gimbal designed for cameras and smartphones, including Sony, GoPro, and iPhone 15. Built-in AI tracking sensor, automatically recognizes and tracks subjects, keeping the camera focused on moving targets with ease. Upgraded quick-release system, Features a redesigned quick-release plate for easy device installation, enhancing portability. 1.3-inch OLED screen provides intuitive control with a touch screen to switch recording modes and adjust settings in real time. Multifunctional zoom knob controls rolling, panning, and tilting angles, with the ability to manage focus through the magic wheel.